Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use tracking feature on CapCut. So first things first, you just have to simply drag or import a video right here. Let's just say this video is me and I want to add a tracking here for my emotion. Let's just say I'm going to add a track here on my head. So you can use any stickers, icons, emojis, and then put it in a specific area where you want to use this tracking motion. So for example, I will be using a sticker right here. You can tap on the sticker option above on the left side, and then you can choose from any of the sticker right here. You can also use emoji, you can use shape, everything is up to you. You need to download that specific icon first in order for you to drag or use that. So for this tutorial, I will be using the circle shape. I just have go to the search icon and then type circle and then enter. Now you can just basically use this circle shape right here. So once done, go to the right side and as you can see, there's this tracking option. Click this one, tap this emotion tracking, and then tap on the start right here. Probably before that, you have to move that specific object, icon, shape to your head or a specific area where you want to use the motion or tracking feature. Tap this one, tap on start button. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. As you can see, it's now ready. So I just have to tap on the play. As you can see, it's now moving. So that's how you use tracking feature on CapCut. You can change this one if you want and then do the same method. Use any sticker, element, a circle, shape that you want. Tap on the tracking feature and then tap on start and you will see the result right away. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.